Good morning, guys, and welcome back. This is a little follow-up from the mini dealer diorama video. As you can see, the plates are on my car, actually, too. I don't know why they keep sort of, like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to basically do this, too, in sort of the method I did. It's sort of a weird way, so just get ready to do this in a weird way. It's quick, actually. It's quick and easy, but yeah, so what I originally did was I pulled up Google Docs and I sort of got blank plates from my state, obviously. I wanted it to be more realistic. You can do whatever plate you want. I just checked and recommend, I would just check and make sure if you're going to use a plate that has a number in it already, I would just check to make sure on some type of license plate site where you can look at license plate numbers. I'd recommend you go look that up there and see if it's still an active plate. If it's an active plate still, do not use that, please. I wouldn't recommend that. But if it's not, then you have to go ahead and do that. I put F and R near it to remind myself that sorry for my tick. The top one is obviously the front. The bottom one is obviously the rear, which I have it on the rear too. I'll show you that in a little bit too. And I sort of took this to size sort of just to see how it would work. Specifically, if you're using Google Docs, put it at 125%, and then scale the plates down until you, and then scale the plates down to the size of the top part here. Alright, so what I did was measured that with the ruler, and it came out to be 1.8 basically. So 1/8 of an inch. So basically the second to last mark before you get to the big 2 mark. I sort of sized down to that on the computer here. And apparently it was the same for both in front. I recommend you do that. You measure both front and back just to make sure you are getting the right size. And I will say it probably works better with the front bracket on it. The front bracket, maybe where it says Honda Civic Type bar, or my Koenigsegg may say, you know, Koenigsegg Agera. So yeah, and then I was supposed to film this yesterday, but apparently ink got all over my thumb and my finger. My finger has been drying off now, but it still sort of is on my thumb. You can see. Hopefully my phone can autofocus into that. Yup. The pink ink got on my thumb, so I originally was going to do this yesterday, but that didn't happen. So now I'm doing it, now I'm here. It's like 6:29 of 2020, 9 in the morning, and I'm doing it now. Usually one's going to do this at tomorrow afternoon. So what I had to do is hide the car up here. I had to clear out a lot of things up here and hide it up there, because I didn't feel safe with being out in the open. So it was a little bit more hidden, so yeah. So I printed that finally this morning. That had problems, and then I finally printed. And then what I did was cut it out. The front I sort of scaled down a little bit more, like by width, so that way it could actually fit. Because in the back, I'm gonna push you guys down for a minute. Because in the back, yeah, back's kind of bigger. I should have scaled that one down, but I'm fine with it for now. What I did obviously was cut it out. I use these scissors for now. These work fine. You want to use house scissors, do that. Just be careful with them. And then what I sort of did was, when they were finally cut out, I put tape on the back of them. So that's what's kind of holding it to the back of the plate frame. It's actually on the back too. I sort of taped that to the frame, and that's how that's on now too. So yeah. And there's my little tutorial. And obviously I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of recording off my phone now because, well, I don't need a big DSLR to be recording this all. So this may even just be a little uploaded from my phone. I may just film this, get this off my phone, put it on my computer, and then I'll delete it off my phone. and then I'll upload it to YouTube, and then once that's done being uploaded, I'll probably just delete it off my computer. So yeah, because it's a quick mini tutorial. Basically, it's quick and easy to do. I thought there's no need of filming with the DSLR. So yeah, that's how I did the mini license plates. You can do this for any state. And again, I would just check to make sure if you're using one with a number to look it up and make sure it's not an active plate still. I'll leave a link in the description down below to a good site that always works. So basically, you can look up the plate number, and if it comes up with some type of vehicle, then I would not use it. If it comes up say maybe an error popped up, or could not find a vehicle with the plate being used, then you're fine to go ahead and just basically do what I did instead of writing it with a pen. Do what I did with the DTR 0678. And this is actually not an active plate, so please don't go looking this up. I kind of just wrote it in pen and used a blank one. So yeah, there it is. Finally my Honda, my mini Honda is registered. I got a lot more years to go before I get a real one, and I actually get that one registered too. Oh my god, I thought about it last night, and if I actually got to the point where I could get my car, if I ever got my Honda, I would be broken down in tears. And you guys don't know how long and how hard and stressful it would be of a journey just to get even a car like this too. I know some people would think, oh yeah, go for a Lambo or a GTR or, you know, something of the sorts. I'm the kid here sitting here thinking maybe I should get a Honda Type R. It would mean a lot to me, and it would definitely mean a full explanation in another video. It involves sort of my daily life too, and a lot of other things I never really share out about actually too. So I don't know, maybe something you'll see coming soon. Hint, hint. So yeah, actually I said hint because there's a couple projects in there. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, I hope everyone has a good day, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Bye.